Hey guys, it's George and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. You're here for a good video. You could sit back, relax, not spend any money. And why is that? Well, it's because I spend money. I'm actually sharing with you guys some recent purchases that I made, so if you're interested in seeing what's in these bags, then keep watching this video. You guys, I finally got myself to work up the energy to make a video. All week it's been so rainy and crappy outside that I had no ambition to film a video. So I've been meaning to make this video for like the past couple days, and finally today, there's sun outside, I have energy, and I feel like making this video. I'm filming this video today standing up because I'm gonna try on some stuff for you guys. Also, I don't wanna get too comfy on the couch because I'll end up like wanting to take a nap. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna try on some stuff here for you guys. I have a lot of clothes, some accessories, some house stuff, so just a little haul. I'm gonna zip through this and just share with you guys some recent stuff that I got. So first we're gonna get started with what I got at TJ Maxx. And I'm only gonna share with you guys the clothes that I got from there because I'm gonna go in like order from like clothes to accessories and then like random stuff. So clothing that I got at TJ was one item, and this was a shirt. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I was never a huge fan of like button down short sleeve shirts, and just like the recent past couple years they became like huge. And I don't know, I mean, I'm not like a huge fan, but I've seen a couple that I liked, mainly the Saint Laurent style, that like tropical but like, I don't know, like expensive looking ones. I don't know, it's just, there's a lot of tacky like Hawaiian button down shirts, tees that I'm just like, oh, why is it in style? Like we can't make this happen. But I did actually pick up this one here, and love the color. It's kind of like a navy black, and it has like leaves all over it. And as you can see, I'm like in a plant obsession right now. So tropical plants, love. This has like the coolest colors, green, it has some nude, some brown, and I love this. I got it in a size large, and it's by this company called Free Planet. Never heard of them before, ever. And it is 100% viscose, made in India. Next store I stopped at is the Gap factory outlet. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the Gap. I used to be when I was little. I was like the epitome of a Gap kid. And as I got older, like their stuff just became very basic and kind of like just not interested. But anyway, I just thought about stopping into the Gap factory outlet store the other day, and I did pick up a polo that I liked. Surprisingly, it actually fits. And it is this polo right here. Got it upside down. It's a black polo. We got 3 additional colors incorporated in it. And it's a red, blue, and white on the pocket right there. Love this, and like I said, it fits good. I'm used to like the Gap, and now that I remember, I'm pretty sure the Gap stuff just fit like very boxy on me as I got older. So I don't know if they change up their style with sizes, but yeah, this actually fits pretty decent. At least I think so. So that's this shirt here. It's a size medium, if you guys were wondering. Now I also got another shirt from the Gap, and I love this color. This is a like plum lavender. I don't know what you want to call this. I guess you want to call it lavender, but it's in this marble finish, and it looks very distressed. It's not a solid V-neck, but it does have like a deep cut around like the neck area, and it fits perfect. This is a size large because the medium was extremely short on me. And surprisingly, the large fit great. I don't know, but I love this shirt. Great color. Lavender is like huge right now, so I figured I don't have this color shirt. Gotta get it. So the last clothing that I'm gonna share with you guys is from Dick's Sporting Goods. Now, I every now and then like to visit Dick's just to see what they have. I find that a lot of their like sportwear you can find much cheaper at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, a lot of those discount type stores. And they're overpriced. That's just pretty much it. But they do, on the other hand, have a lot of unique stuff. I love Adidas stuff. I found that like a lot of their Adidas stuff is very overpriced. And like I said, you can get it so many other places. Macy's, Kohl's, you name it. A lot of these places carry Adidas, and Dick's is just, get it together. You don't need to charge that much. Anyway, I did find some unique stuff that I couldn't say no to. First being these soccer pants. They're in this hunter green type of color. I have these also in black with purple stripes and white stripes. These are the classic. I mean, these are jogger type pants, very comfortable. If you couldn't already tell, I do love the color green, wearing it right now. But yeah, I mean, these go with everything. Black is my favorite color. And yeah, these in black, you have yourself a nice outfit. And they were 45 bucks. I'm pretty sure like that's like a universal price, like everywhere. So I didn't feel bad buying these. Like I said, Dick's is kind of overpriced, but for these being unique and like that solid price, I was like, all right, I have to have them. Now, aside from the soccer pants, I did get myself a pair of shorts. These itty bitty shorts right here. Fell in love with this color. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these out in public because they are quite scandalous, but that salmon, I just fell in love with this color. These were $30. Got myself a size small, just like the pants, because I don't like that like sagginess diaper look. Not cute, but love these. And have a little pocket on the back too. These are like so retro looking. I don't know, if I work up enough courage to wear these out in public, then I'll have to share with you guys on Instagram or something. With that being said, follow me on Instagram if you are not following already. Last thing that I got at Dick's was a hat. Of course, it's an Adidas hat. Fell in love with this hat because it's just very simple, black, durable material, but it's not that basic, just like Adidas logo. It says Adidas, the brand with the 3 stripes, and like other languages worth of stuff right there. No idea what it says. But love this hat, and it's pretty cool. It does say the brand with the 3 stripes all around it on the inside and on the back. Same thing. So Burlington isn't really a store that I typically shop at. I don't know why, but I just never really have interest in visiting Burlington. Burlington Coat Factory, for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, but I just never really like, it's not for me. But recently I was curious, so I decided to check the store out, and I made a pretty good decision because I actually got 3 pairs of shoes for $25.97. If that's not a steal, I don't know what is. These 3 shoes right here, $25.97, that's a joke. It's not. I really got these shoes for that price. All 3 of these shoes are exactly the same style, just different colors, and they're by Guess. Now, Guess is kind of like huge right now. You could buy Guess at Urban Outfitters, ASOS, and a lot of like trendy stores, and their stuff is kind of expensive. So, I scored, obviously, but like I said, they're all 3 different colors. First one here is black, and they're like, I think it's a suede. I don't know if this is real suede or not, but anyway, these get hair on them really quick, very easily. But you can tell like the quality is definitely there. Like they're not like poorly made. The next one is a gray color, has a little bit of like charcoal inside of it. I think this is my favorite color out of all 3 of them because it goes with pretty much everything. And the same type of material, same fabric. I don't know how all these shoes were miraculously in my size, but they were, and I had to get these too. These are a navy blue Chelsea boot. I don't own any Chelseas in this color, so of course had to get them. I don't know, maybe these are my favorite one from them because I don't have this color in Chelsea's. Yeah, these are it. But love these two, of course, exact same style, same branding and logo and black bottoms. Love these. I have not worn them yet, but I will soon. How do you guys feel about striped pants? Yes, I'm still questioning that myself, but Minimal LA reached out to me recently to check out some of their items. They gave me a discount. Also have a discount code for you guys if you want to check out their store as well. Highly recommend it. But as far as striped pants goes, I ordered myself a pair of unique pants by this company. Look a little like this. I love these on the website. And as far as in person, they're beautiful, but I just don't know what to wear them with. I've seen like a lot of Instagram posts of people wearing these and they pull off a look that I don't know if I can do, but I will try. So once I get there, I'll take a picture for you guys. But anyway, these are a great fit. These are size 29 waist. They are stretchy. I wish I went a little bit bigger, maybe like a 31, because tight wise, they are quite tight. But again, they are stretchy material, so I could breathe. Now these do retail for, I think there's no price tag on here. This doesn't say the price, but On the website, I believe it's like 65 or 60. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out. So that's it for clothes and accessories. I know it wasn't like a huge haul, but enough there to show you guys. Now, I do love going to like TJ Maxx's home section and Home Goods and Marshalls. I hit up Home Goods and I got some pretty unique finds. Now, I'm all into like keeping like a chill vibe, like keeping your positivity like at level. So, well, I try to. Anyway, I love salt lamps. So what did I do? I got myself a salt lamp, like nightlight. I guess that's what you want to call it, a salt lamp nightlight. This is beautiful, it's real salt, put it in your wall, it gives a nice beautiful like orange hue. I feel like salt lamps don't really make me feel less anxious, because I think that's like what they're meant to do, is like just calm me down and give like a chill like essence. It doesn't really work for me, but I like the light, I like the lighting. Anyway, this is pretty, it gives like a nice light to my bathroom. And last, I have another salt lamp here. This is a salt light USB. This is sick. I never knew that like salt lamps existed like this, and when I bumped into it, I knew that I had to buy it. So this is pretty cool. Just plug it into my USB port on my computer, and I bring that salt vibes as I'm editing videos, doing work. This was a must-have. I love this. Only thing I wish is that the lighting was a little bit more bright, and it gives kind of like a red hue, not so much an orange. Either way, I still love this. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I know it was just like a bunch of everything mixed up in one, but I enjoy doing videos like this and just sharing with you guys some recent purchases and just taking my randomness there. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like this video, of course, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. That's much appreciated, goes a long way. Share this video with your friends, your family, your mom. Just share the love. All right, guys, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna stop talking. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.